So we're a custom automation company based in North Yorkshire. We deal with a variety of customers in all sorts of industries. They'll come to us with a problem that they want to automate, and we'll work with them from conception to the idea all the way through to build, testing, commissioning and delivery.
So yeah, we've had the Markforged machines for almost 4 years now. They've been absolutely brilliant for what we do, quick turnaround, really good end-use parts. We did have a different FDM machine beforehand that wasn't very reliable. It was a bit hit and miss, and it put a bit of a sour taste in the engineers' mouths. Then we contacted Additive-X. We saw the Markforged systems. We got some sample parts, and everyone was very, very impressed. So we bought one, ran it flat out for a month, realised we need more, and so we've ended up expanding to 6 Markforged units across this site and 2 others.
The Markforged machines, it gives us really, really fast turnaround on some high quality parts, which is crucial for our testing phase.
We use onyx because it's a very, very stable filament. It's really good chemical compatibility for all the different stuff we use. It's very rare that we get asked to handle like a liquid or substance that reacts with it. So it's a good baseline to start off with, and then if it needs anything specific, we can prototype in the onyx and then get it made in stainless steel. With the larger systems, we tend to take them out. We've taken them over to Liverpool, we've had some go over to America. We've got one that's probably going to go out to Singapore, and it just helps the engineers if something does break or they need a quick solution. Instead of us machining something here out of aluminium, sending it across, then waiting a week to get it, it's next day or same day. And it really, really helps keep the costs down on site. So we've actually got a dedicated Markforged printer over there at our satellite office, and they can make the changes on site, test it and implement it straight away. Actually, the Liverpool University saw our Markforged printer there and they ended up buying one themselves. I think it was from yourselves as well.
It's a great place to work because the projects are so varied. Like I say, we're in many different industries, so from project to project you can be faced with completely different challenges, which is really great.
We definitely have a plan to possibly purchase some more Markforged systems. Obviously, as we grow as a company, we need the extra capacity to make components, and we tend to find that every single night all the printers are full. So we're having to queue things up for the next day, run them during the day, so it's full on. It's great to have the flexibility and the capability to make changes on site, because customers always go, we'd like something a little bit different. And it's really easy to pop it on a printer, get it done, get it implemented the same day or next day, and then it gets us home a little bit earlier.